Hello, good day to you. Today I am going to talk about the 16th question in the 4 question set of my DBMS. This is my 16th question. The marks of the term examination of the Kaluvila Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all the students studying in his school in a computer system. The software was developed by a software development company called AISoft. The software should be able to store all student term scores and student assessment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of students in grade 11 as the first stage of this software. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. First, create a database named exam_marks_db to store students' marks. Use the ER diagram to create this database. Second one, create a table named student to store students' data. Create the table according to the instruction below. Third one, the school has 2 grade 11 classes. Create a table called class to store the details of those classes. Fourth one, create a table called subject to store the subjects taught in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. Sixth one, create a table with the term exam term to store the term test in the school. Create the table according to the instruction below. Question 17, 18, 19, 20 are sub-question of this question. I am using MySQL Workbench in this case to draw this ER diagram. First need to create new model. For that, click on here, select new model, double click on here, now I need to create new table. For that, click on here and click anywhere inside this area. can make the column primary key with this tick. When put the not null tick, the column should be contain data. Putting this tick don't need to tell the value of the column separately. It will be auto increment. The data type must be int. In this way, other table should be created. Here need to keep the date of the exam, so the data type is set as date. That's how I done my 16th question.